Icigo-inĩ cia Malindi na Watamu kaunti-inĩ ya Kilifi wikendi ĩno no agendi maraingĩraga ũmwe thutha wa ũngĩ magĩũka gũkũngũĩra thigũkũ ya Easter. Thutha wa mũtuthũko wa mũrimũ wa COVID-19, rĩu onjoria biacara ya mĩkawa na arũgamĩrĩri moigĩte nĩ hĩndĩ kahũa kambĩtie kwĩruha na matirĩ mona Kenya makĩyumĩria kũgenda na njĩra nene ũguo.
Basically locals, hakuna mimi hapa, I never have foreigners. Moja, lakini kama saa hii niko na foreigner moja peke yake. Huyu mzungu moja. Oh, the others are local people.
We are celebrating the return of the Boomerang. Boomerang was a very famous club in Nairobi in the 80s. And now we are coming here to rewind to the 80s and to make a very nice and very classic 80s music show.
Mĩingĩ ya mĩkawa nĩ ĩroetwo nĩ ageni ona mbere ya thigũkũ ĩno na magĩikia ritho kabere marauga Kenya magĩthiĩ na mbere kũhĩmbĩria ũgendi ta ũrĩa monanĩtie. Rũhonge rũrũ no rwĩhande gũtarĩ nginyagia agendi a kuma mabũrũri mangĩ.
We don't need a lot of tourists flying in from European countries, American countries. This was a notion from the past, but what I believe right now, domestic tourism is taking over, and it's growing by mile and mile every day. And I'm sure that local domestic tourism will grow in the next 5 years, and it'll be it will not depend on international tourism for sure.
We have very good tourist destinations, and all these places most of us Kenyans don't know, like this Sun Palm Beach Resort. It's such a beautiful place to be, and it's just next to the beach, as you can see. So let's try and support local tourism, because if even if this pandemic hits again, God forbid, we will still have something to be proud of. Families will not sleep hungry. Children will not stop going to school because there will be employment. There will be people will work. DJs will entertain people. So I think we hope it doesn't happen again.
Ona kũrĩ ũguo rĩrĩ nĩrĩo ihinda rĩrĩa agendi a kuma nja wa bũrũri mambagĩrĩria kũingĩra gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ makĩenda kũnyotorwo nĩ ũthaka wa Kenya. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Wanjikũ wa Kĩmani.